would come in flying colors. This year, I would also like to share with you that this ministry, in coordination with Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation, a new initiative was launched by the name of Swachh Swasth Sarvatra. So that's also going to be talked. We are going to show the kind of what has been done on that and what's going to be done for that. So that's also that's going to come with the small film which is going to be shown. So with those words, I welcome you all again, and we hope that our congratulations to the awardees. But more importantly, I think every one of you who has participated in this, I think we must celebrate that enthusiasm and that commitment. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a long round of applause for the dignitaries again? Thank you. Moving ahead, ladies and gentlemen, here's presenting you the Kaya Kalp film.
क्या हम तय करें कि 2019 जब महात्मा गांधी की 150वीं जयंती बनाएंगे, हमारा गांव, हमारा शहर, हमारा गली, हमारा मोहल्ला, हमारी स्कूल, हमारे मंदिर, हमारे अस्पताल, सभी क्षेत्र गंदगी का नामो निशान नहीं रहने देंगे।
Prime Minister's call was received with an enthusiastic response across the country, and the various ministries took up many initiatives to further the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Health and cleanliness go hand in hand. Several diseases are born in unclean environment. To encourage public health facilities, to promote hygiene and infection control practices, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare instituted the Kaya Kalp Award scheme on 15th of May 2015. A careful list of parameters were laid down for the Kaya Kalp Awards: hospital upkeep, sanitation and hygiene, waste management, infection control, support services, and hygiene promotion. Kaya Kalp has truly transformed the government hospitals in many states of India.
हमने जन भागीदारी से और लोगों से मिलकर पहले रोड बनवाया। पेशेंट को बैठने के लिए जगह नहीं थी प्रॉपर, तो बैठने के लिए हमने एक शेड बनवाया। अस्पताल में भी काफ़ी गंदगी रहती थी, यानी सफाई उतनी नहीं थी, क्लीननेस नहीं थी। पुराना अस्पताल था, उतना रेनोवेशन नहीं हुआ था, तो उसको पूरा रेनोवेट किया, टाइल्स लगी तो थोड़ी सफाई रहने लगी और पूरे टाइम क्लीनिंग होने लगी। क्लास 4 के जो हमारे स्वीपर हैं उन सबको ट्रेनिंग दी कि किस तरह से इन्फेक्शन कंट्रोल होता है, बायोमेडिकल वेस्ट में हमें क्या क्या करना है, सेग्रीगेशन किस तरह से होता है, लाल, पीला और नीला, इस तरह से अलग अलग हमने उनको सब चीज़ें बताई।
Kaya Kalp has not only created a spirit of healthy competition amongst health institutions, it has also gone a long way in changing people's perception towards government hospitals.
अब बहुत सुधार है यहाँ पर। हम सीओर भोपाल में भी दिए हैं, 15 दिन सीओर में भी दिए हैं, लेकिन यहाँ की जगहों की सफाई बहुत अच्छी लगी हमें।
Earlier, this compound was very dirty and very shabby looks. No systematic organization. But after this 1 year, means last year, 2016, all the lots of things have taken place here, and now everything's the face changes.
पहले हमारे यहाँ 58% प्राइवेट इंस्टीट्यूट में डिलीवरी होती थी, 48 हमारे यहाँ। कायाकल्प आने के बाद हम लोगों ने रेशियो रिवर्स कर दिया। अब 58% इंस्टीट्यूशनल डिलीवरी पब्लिक में हो रही है और धीरे धीरे प्राइवेट में कम हो रही है।
Strengthening Kaya Kalp initiative and its linkages with Swachh Bharat mission, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare joined hands with the Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation to launch yet another fruitful initiative in 2016, the Swachh Swasth Sarvatra scheme. On one hand, it aims at improving the hygiene levels of community health centers in open defecation-free blocks, and on the other, making blocks around Kayakalp awarded primary health centers free of open defecation. Under the Swachh Swasth Sarvatra scheme, selection of community health centers has been undertaken in each district. In the first stage, all the community health centers in 708 open defecation-free blocks will be improved to Kayakalp standards. And an additional funding of rupees 10 lakhs will be given to each community health center to improve its hygiene levels. Innovative training programs have been designed for nominees of the primary and community health centers. Kayakalp and Swachh Swasth Sarvatra initiative together are striving to achieve Prime Minister's dream of open defecation-free and clean India by 2019. Across the country, thousands of health workers are working tirelessly to make this dream possible and make sure that every citizen in this country has a healthy future.
Now I would like to request Shri C.K. Mishra, Health Secretary, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, to present the keynote addresser.
Honorable Union Minister for Health, Shri J.P. Nadda ji, DGHS Dr. Jagdish Prasad, ASNMD Mr. Arun Panda, Mr. Sanjeev Kumar, Additional Secretary in the Ministry, Mr. Raut, Mr. Jalani, representatives of various hospitals who are here, representatives of the state government, and all others who are present today in this Kayakalp Award function. First and foremost, congratulations to all the states and particularly the hospitals which have got the first prize or the second prize. I hope this is not the first or the last time that these prizes are given to those hospitals, because the expectation obviously is that once you have attained that standard, you can only improve on that standard and not slide back. It is a very critical thing, because that is the way we want to drive this program. What is also very critical in this entire effort is that this program for once is not about hygiene. It's not about hygiene alone. There are several other factors which we have combined with this program so that we are able to bring our public facilities, I would say, to a standard where people want to come to us. If people don't see value in our public facilities, they will never come to us. But these things we can say later, because today is a day of celebration. For all those who worked hard, all the state governments I compliment, because they really joined us from the day we started this in 2015 and have really moved with us along this program. I'm extremely happy that the states have now gone down to the PHC level, and I'm sure good work will be done there, which will be replicable. One point that I would like to share with most of the state governments and also the central government hospitals, there's a lot of good work that you do, which is not often talked about. It is very important to do good things, and perhaps equally and as important, to be seen to be doing it. In cleanliness, in Kayakalp, it is the visibility which matters. I would request states to create that visibility so that people know that there are standards which are improving and they are able to come to us. At the present, not more than 30% of the people are coming to us. We need to increase this capacity and get more people to public health facilities. We have a long list of awardees, so I'll not labor this point any further, but there's one additional point that I would like to make. The intention of this program never was and never will be to keep rewarding the first and the second. We must remember that what is critical for improvement in healthcare delivery is that hospital which was ranked last year has moved up 3 ladders. That is the kind of situation we would like to create. Those who have done well will continue to do well, but we need to bring up those hospitals which have not been able to be up to the mark, so that they come to a level where we are really able to address these issues. So I once again congratulate all the winners, and I do hope that we'll continue with this spirit. We will continue to focus on hospitals with both resources and guidelines, and expect the states to make things much better in days of come, because we are also aiming at reaching universal health care, and one of the critical elements of that is that people come to public health facilities. So thank you all the states for coming here. Thank you all for joining us here. And once again, congratulations to all the winners. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
I would request our Honorable Chief Guest Minister, Health and Family Welfare, Shri Jagat Prakash Nadda ji, to release the Kaya Kalp Coffee Table Book of the Year 2016-17. Now we will proceed towards the felicitation ceremony. For this prestigious felicitation, may I request our Honorable Chief Guest, Union Health and Family Welfare Minister, Shri Jagat Prakash Nadda ji, to step forward for the felicitations, please. The awards has been categorized in 2 categories: central government and state levels.
Just a moment. Friends, because since we have very limited time, I would request that people should start coming without really losing time, and I would also request the states have to come one after the other.
First,
quickly.
we'll go with the commendation.
With the commendation. Okay.
Central level, sir. Yeah, and then the state. The commendation award. First, we start with the awards for the central government hospitals, please. The commendation awards goes to AIIMS Raipur, and the award money is 50 lakhs. Okay. The next is AIIMS Jodhpur.